Astral projection, also known as astral travel, is a profound and transformative experience that has fascinated seekers of spiritual enlightenment for centuries. It refers to an intentional out-of-body experience, OBE, during which the astral body separates from the physical body and travels in the astral plane. Part 1. Understanding astral projection. Astral projection is an esoteric concept where the soul or consciousness, referred to as the astral body, travels outside the physical body to explore the astral plane, a dimension of reality beyond the physical world. This experience is often reported as vividly realistic and can occur voluntarily or involuntarily, such as in near-death experiences or during sleep. Historical and cultural perspectives. The concept of astral travel is not new and can be traced back to ancient civilizations. The Egyptians, for instance, believed in an astral body called the Ka that could travel outside the physical body. The idea is also present in various forms in Hinduism, Buddhism, and among indigenous tribes worldwide, illustrating a universal curiosity about the nature of consciousness and the structure of reality. Scientific viewpoints. While mainstream science remains skeptical of astral projection, categorizing it as a type of lucid dream or hallucination, numerous anecdotal accounts and some parapsychological studies suggest there might be more to it. Research in the field of consciousness, like the work of Dr. Robert Monroe, who founded the Monroe Institute for the Study of Consciousness, has provided methodologies and frameworks that many have used successfully to experience astral travel. Part 2. Preparing for astral projection. Mental and physical preparation. 1. Relaxation. Deep physical relaxation is crucial. Techniques such as progressive muscle relaxation or guided imagery can be helpful. 2. Concentration. The ability to focus one's mind intensely and without distraction is key. Practices like meditation can improve your concentration. 3. Visualization. Picturing the astral self leaving the physical body can aid the separation process. It's about creating a mental image of moving out and exploring. Creating a conducive environment. The environment for astral projection should be quiet, comfortable, and safe. Dim lighting, minimal noise, and ensuring you will not be disturbed are important factors. Some practitioners use background sounds like binaural beats or white noise to help in maintaining focus and relaxation. Part 3. Techniques for astral projection. The rope technique. This method involves imagining a rope hanging above you and using it to pull your astral self out of your physical body. It focuses the mind and can help with the sensation of separation. The rollout technique. As you lie down, imagine rolling over to the side, but instead of your physical body moving, let your astral body roll out and away from the physical form. This can sometimes result in an immediate sensation of floating. The visualization technique. Visualize a place you are familiar with and imagine your astral self being there. The vividness of the visualization can sometimes trigger an astral projection, as the mind may begin to perceive the imagined location as an actual destination for the astral body. Part 4. Common experiences and how to navigate them. Encountering the unknown. It's common to encounter unfamiliar environments or entities. Maintaining a calm and observant mindset is crucial. Remember, in the astral plane, your thoughts and emotions can manifest instantly, so focus on positive intentions. Dealing with fear. Fear can pull you back into your physical body or cause unpleasant experiences. Grounding techniques, such as visualizing a return to your body or focusing on feelings of love and peace, can be helpful. Maintaining awareness and control. Sometimes maintaining control over the experience can be challenging. Techniques learned in lucid dreaming, like stabilizing the dream by rubbing your hands together or spinning around, can be adapted to maintain clarity and control in the astral plane. Part 5. Advanced techniques in astral projection. Deepening astral experiences. As you become more adept at astral projection, you may wish to deepen your experiences and extend the duration of your travels. This involves enhancing your mental discipline and employing more complex visualization techniques. Prolonged focus. Practice extending the length of your projections by continually focusing on your astral environment. The longer you can maintain focus, the more stable and extended your experience will become. Advanced visualization. Enhance your ability to visualize more complex environments and scenarios. This can involve imagining intricate landscapes or detailed scenarios that engage all senses, which can help solidify the astral experience. Navigating the astral plane. The astral plane is vast and varied, and navigating it can be both exhilarating and daunting. Here are some tips for exploring effectively. 1. Set clear intentions. Before projecting, decide where you want to go and what you wish to accomplish. This intention will guide your journey and can provide clarity and purpose. 2. Use of symbols. Symbols can serve as portals or guides within the astral plane. Some practitioners use specific symbols to transport to different locations or to summon specific experiences or entities. 3. Spiritual guides. Some individuals encounter entities or guides in the astral plane who can offer assistance or wisdom. Engaging with these beings can enrich your astral travels and provide guidance. Part 6. Communicating with other beings. Types of entities. In the astral plane, you might encounter a range of entities. These can include other astral travelers, deceased spirits, or even more abstract forms of consciousness. Understanding the nature of these entities and how to interact with them responsibly is crucial. Ethical considerations. When interacting with any entity, it's important to approach with respect and kindness. Just as in the physical world, your interactions should be guided by ethical considerations. Communication techniques. Telepathy. Communication in the astral plane is often telepathic. Focus on clear thoughts and intent when communicating. Emotional resonance. Emotions can be more intense in the astral plane. Positive emotions like love and compassion can facilitate smoother interactions with other beings. Part 7. Integrating astral experiences into daily life. Reflecting on your journeys. After each astral journey, take time to reflect on what you experienced and learned. Keeping a journal can be extremely helpful. Write down details of the environment, entities you met, emotions you felt, and insights you gained. Spiritual growth. Incorporate the lessons and insights from astral projection into your daily life. This might mean developing greater empathy, becoming more aware of your subconscious patterns, or enhancing your understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. Part 8. Exploring the mysterious aspects of astral projection. Introduction to the mysteries. Astral projection opens doors to realms that are often shrouded in mystery and intrigue. This part of our exploration delves into the lesser-known, sometimes eerie aspects of astral travel that have both fascinated and alarmed practitioners throughout the ages. Encounters with unknown entities. One of the most enigmatic aspects of astral projection is the potential encounter with entities that are not easily classified or understood. These might include 1. Shadow beings. Often reported by astral travelers, these beings appear as dark, shadow-like figures. While some are neutral or benign, others may emit a sense of malevolence. 2. Ethereal creatures. Beings that do not conform to any earthly counterpart, whose forms and substances are unique to the astral plane. 3. Ancestral spirits. Encounters with ancestors or spirits. Claiming connections to one's lineage can be profound and deeply moving. Navigating darker realms. The astral plane is not uniformly serene or benevolent. Like the physical world, it contains darker zones that can be challenging and potentially dangerous. Here's how to navigate these areas. Protection techniques. Before astral projecting, practice protective rituals or visualizations. Imagine yourself surrounded by a bright light that shields you from negative energies. Retreat. Tactics. Learn how to withdraw quickly from uncomfortable or threatening situations. This might involve visualizing a rapid return to your physical body or using pre-established exit points. Discernment training. Develop your ability to discern between different types of entities and environments. This skill helps in making wise choices about where to go and what interactions to engage in. The Akashic Records. One of the most intriguing destinations within the astral plane is what many describe as the Akashic Records. These are believed to be a compendium of all human events, thoughts, words, emotions, and intent ever to have occurred in the past, present, or future. Accessing the records. Gaining access usually requires a high level of spiritual maturity and intent. Visualization of entering a vast library is a common technique used to reach the Akashic Records. Learning from the records. The knowledge gained from the Akashic Records can offer profound insights into personal and collective histories and potential futures. Temporal anomalies. Time may behave differently in the astral plane, with travelers experiencing jumps forward or backward in time, or finding themselves in timeless states. This can be disorienting, but also offers unique perspectives on the nature of time itself. Part 9. Ethical and moral dimensions. With great power comes great responsibility, and this is true in the context of astral projection as well. Exploring the ethical and moral implications is essential. Interference. Avoid interfering with other beings' paths or destinies. Just as in the physical world, consent and respect for autonomy are crucial. Privacy. Respecting the privacy of others, even in the astral plane, is a fundamental ethical principle. Intruding into someone's private space without permission is considered unethical. Sharing knowledge. Decide wisely what to share and what to keep private. Not every insight or experience might be beneficial or constructive to share with others. Final words. As we conclude our journey into the fascinating world of astral projection, it's important to reflect on the profound nature of this practice. Astral travel is more than just an intriguing spiritual phenomenon. It's a deeply personal exploration that can illuminate the most hidden corners of our consciousness and connect us with the broader tapestry of the universe. Remember, the path to mastering astral projection is unique for each individual. It requires patience, dedication, and a mindful approach to both the seen and unseen aspects of our existence. As you continue to explore and experience the astral plane, keep an open mind, but also ground yourself with ethical principles and a strong sense of purpose. Whether you seek spiritual enlightenment, deeper self-understanding, or simply a greater appreciation for the mysteries of the cosmos, astral projection can offer a unique perspective that is both enlightening and transformative. Embrace the journey with respect, caution, and an eager heart, and the realms you explore will surely open up new avenues of wisdom and insight. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of astral projection. May your journeys be safe, enlightening, and filled with the wonder of discovery. Until next time, keep looking beyond the horizon and within yourself.